I think for young people, the key is normalcy and a return to their lives, right? To their social lives, their environments, their activities. All of these things become extremely important. Keeping kids locked in, isolated from one another, isolated from schools and from teachers is having a profound impact on their mental health. And I really hope that there is a growing realization around this, and hopefully there will be financial resources as well put into place, particularly through our public school system, that will allow schools to be able to appropriately respond and help those kids who are in distress. We have seen increased eating disorders. We have seen increased suicide attempts. We have seen, other forms of self-harm, particularly among adolescents. And so, as parents, as teachers, as healthcare workers, we need to be on the lookout for these kinds of things and make sure we're having the right kinds of conversations and providing kids with the support that they need. There's, ultimately, and I say this because I've worked in war zones with young people who've experienced extreme violence and atrocity and abuse over many months, and who are extremely traumatized. And what helps the most is consistency, stability, and opportunity, right? It's that sense that their lives are that they're able to move forward, that they can have hopes, they can have dreams, that they can pursue them, that they feel supported in pursuing them. And I think that that's true for kids here in the context of the pandemic as well. It's about being supportive, being understanding, and making sure that they are getting back together with their friends and not living in this state of constant fear and anxiety that they should never see anyone or do anything. Get them outside, even in January. Get them outside, get them out tobogganing, get them doing things that make them happy, and get them hopefully soon back into their sports and their other recreational activities. Resiliency is hard. All I know from my own work and time I've spent overseas is that getting together with family and friends, even in the context of a pandemic, in smaller numbers, right, but in different ways, it brings huge psychological relief. We have to find the joy.